like paragraph, graphics, tables, or chart. It's not confined to one area only. It's only the paragraph, or only the chart, or only the table, or the experiment. It's a comprehensive area where many of the things they can be included in that. Then, designed to analyze real.
One of the most important things of this method, they are useful for human beings. And second, they are short diabetic representation like yeast cell, bacillus cell, and second one is the coccus bacterial cell. And second, they are useful in agriculture as well as medicine as well as in which are straight line and some of the curved parabolic type, and the descending order also have one is straight line. So here students have to face some distraction also, and they will have to choose the one single correct option. That is why I have chosen this question. And second MCQ is also related to this, so that is why I have chosen this, because it is also the real basic.
चीजें क्लियर हो गई, तो that is the success of the workshop. It is not the success of the resource person, it is the success of the learner. And proud to say that it was a wonderful session. Each one of you were very keen learner. फर्स्ट सेशन से और 8 सेशन तक पूरा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हमने देखा है. Very few people were participating in the first session, and now everyone is trying to give the input. So thank you so much. My sincere thanks to the principal sir and the school management. My sincere thanks to Pandey sir, a very cooperative person, very humble, down to earth, and of course each one of you is a great soul in on this earth. Keep learning, and whenever you feel that if any help and guidance is required, please feel free to connect. Thank you so much.
कि मतलब मुझे फील ही नहीं हो रही थी, और बड़ा कोऑपरेटिव नेचर आपका सर. एंड सेम व्हेन वी आर एंटरिंग इन द क्लास, देन वी नॉट satisfied if our performance is not good. But here after 2 days session, when I have got the feedback from you all, and now I am satisfied that my performance in 2 days was very nice, very good. I tried from the core of my heart that what the duties given by the CBSE, I have reflected that in all of you. आप सभी के अंदर जब वो चीज पहुंच गई और आप सब पहले दिन आप सबने सोचा होगा क्या है केस, क्या केस बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है. सोचिए कि मैं आई हैव कंडक्टेड सो मच ट्रेनिंग, लेकिन सब जगह टीचर्स को थोड़ा चार्ज करने के लिए कुछ बीच बीच में आइस ब्रेकर एक्टिविटीज ऐड करने पड़ती थी. यहाँ एक पूरा सेशन ही आइस ब्रेकिंग एक्टिविटीज था.
CBSE resource person Shri Rajiv Taggi sir and Shri Rajkumar Pandey sir, distinguished guests and my dear colleagues. As we come to the conclusion of this workshop session, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to everyone who has contributed to its success. I am extremely thankful to our esteemed CBSE resource person for sharing valuable knowledge, practical insights and expert guidance on competency-based assessment. Your session have truly enriched our understanding, sir, and will positively impact our classroom practices with all the teachers. I extend my heartfelt thanks to CBSE for giving our school, Epic Global School, the opportunity to host this 2-day workshop for continuously supporting teachers in their professional development. I would like to appreciate the effort of the organizing team, or you know that the teachers are available, and coordinators and staff members of Epic Global School for their dedicated support and smooth management of the program. My sincere thanks to all the participating teachers for their active involvement, enthusiasm, and commitment towards learning. And once again, I thank